Hey everyone, just a quick video on cleaner number 4. So cleaner number 4 is our grout, residue and builder's dust remover. Okay, so this product is perfect for post installation cleans. So after tiles have been installed, where there's any grout haze, builder's residue, plaster dust, anything like that, this product is perfect to remove that. Okay, so it's pH number 2, so it's quite a low pH acid, but it's actually quite a nice acid. So it's orthophosphoric, less than 20%, so it's quite mild, so it doesn't damage or tarnish any of the tiles, the grout or the surface of the tile in any way. So where it's also perfect, if you're using it in a bathroom, it won't damage or tarnish any of the trims or the taps, anything like that. So stronger acids can actually burn into the metal and the trims and leave little marks and dusting marks. So it doesn't do any of that. So it's quite an easy product to work with, and it's also very versatile. So like I say, if you use it in conjunction with our TileMaster machine, the pad B, which is like a green emulsifying pad, along with the cleaner number 4, about 1 to 4, 1 to 5 dilution, it will very quickly break down and remove all your grout haze, your polymer film, and all the additives that are now in grout that stick to the actual surface of the tile. It removes them very quickly. Also, the oscillating motion, so if you imagine all these new anti-slip porcelain tiles, they've got a lot of contours in, they look like almost like the French Alps. So all the grout is sat down here in this part, and the problem is the mop or the sponge that the tile is using can only get up here. Okay, so what happens with our TileMaster machine that's oscillating, the product goes in and the machine sends oscillation and vibrations down to the product here. Okay, what that does, it breaks the bond between the grout and the tile and it lifts it up, suspends it in the solution, and it can then be backed away. Okay, at the same time, because we're using the green emulsifying pad, that also mechanically just scratches the actual the grout haze and the sand and cement that's in there off the surface without damaging the surface of the tile itself. Okay, so all three elements together create this, work in perfect harmony and create this really good deep clean. Okay, so again, that's been tried and tested. I'll post some pictures now, but it's been used all across the country, from domestic homes all the way up to big blue chip companies that have struggled as they've now started to replace their existing smooth tiles with these new anti-slip textured tiles. Okay, so again, number 4, just to recap, it's very good at grout haze, it's pH 2 and it's an extremely fast acting, and it's a strong, effective cleaner, but also very safe. One other benefit of it is if you've got rust marks on ceramic or porcelain tiles, what you can do is just apply it neat. So just put one cap onto the rust mark, neat, and leave it for 15 minutes, and that will remove the rust mark from the ceramic or porcelain. Okay, so again, this product is not designed to be used on any natural stone, any acid sensitive stone. So follow our charts, that will tell you what it can and can't be used on. If you need any more technical help, feel free to get in touch. One of the technical guys will help you, no problem. Okay, so best number to contact us on is 0161 444 0377. You can like and subscribe onto the YouTube channel for more videos like this, or if you're a trade professional, feel free to find us on Facebook. We've got a trade group with 600 trade guys from all over Europe that help and advise with all the common issues with tile, stone and the flooring industry. Okay, so it's called TileMaster Professional Network, so if you like that, you can apply to join there. Okay, like I say, get in touch, keep listening, and we'll be in touch soon.